When you run a business, even a small hiccup from a supplier can cause trouble. The trouble can quickly snowball into a larger problem. It may disrupt the entire supply chain and, in the end, lead to damage and losses for clients. This domino effect is a classic supply chain nightmare. Ultimately, we need to ask the question, who should be responsible for the mess? Here's the tricky part. The part that caused the problem often doesn't see the damage it creates down the supply chain. It may start small, but it can grow into a big mess. And none of this would have happened if things were in order from the start. So, we need a rule that decides who pays whom and how much. But first, we need a quick and simple way to make that rule work, because things can change fast in business and we don't want to waste time arguing over every hiccup. Smart contracts solve this. They are digital agreements written in the code and stored on a blockchain, which works like a shared online notebook that many computers keep copies of. This makes it secure and allows smart contracts to automatically carry out agreements without a middleman. With smart contract in place, we can now focus on the rule. Our research shows that fixed fraction rules are simple and effective. Think of it as a dial. On one end shows zeros and the dial sets. The first party who messes up pays for all the damages. The other end shows 1 and sets. Everyone is only responsible for their own mistake. For direct damages, of course, the troublemaker should bear the full consequences. For indirect damages down the line, we found the fairest solution is the middle ground, or to split the cost equally. This really strikes a good balance. It encourages people to avoid starting problems, but also admits that they can't control damage later in the supply chain. In the real world, the supply chain consists of a dynamic network of agreements. Each agreement between two parties describes the terms for financial loss. Here, we illustrate this as a loss tree involving 7 companies. Each branch has a certain amount loss, and a failure can happen at any branch. If B fails to deliver to E, it creates a domino effect that affects F and G. A total loss of $19 occurs from all companies affected. B shall pay $9 to E for direct loss. But what about loss incurred by F and G down the line? According to our fixed fraction rules, B and E shall take an equal half for their share accountability. Therefore, B pays $3 to F and $2 to G for indirect losses, and E also pays the same amount to F and G. In reality, the loss tree is bigger and involves many more companies. Bear in mind that smart contract cannot replace legal proceedings for complex disputes. For clear-cut data-driven disputes, smart contract offers a smarter and fairer solution beyond the supply chain, including in loan defaults, good claim in insurance, medical shortages, and many more. To make it work, the involved parties shall first make deposits to cover potential losses. When damage happens, the blockchain automatically shares payments based on fixed fraction rules. If everything goes well, the deposits are returned to conclude the deal. No lengthy back and forth emails, no waiting. To find out more about our research, please visit China Business Knowledge at chuhk.com.